It's amazing how the moss just takes over the rust.
Look at this texture right here. It's so soft.
These cracks look deep.
Oh, yeah, and look how far it's sunk into the mud here. Watch your step. The floor looks unstable.
What's this over here? It looks like old equipment. See if it turns. It's rusted solid. I can barely move it.
Look, here's another mark. It just appeared.
I'm tracing the edge of this impact crater. The metal is warped inwards. I just want to feel the texture. It's incredible. Careful, it looks unstable.
All right, slowly lower the beam. Confirmed. Watching the chains on my side. Straps are tight and secure on this side. Connections confirmed. Ready for lift. Easy now, pull it towards the trees. Holding steady on the right side. All right, hold it right there, looks good. Watch the front right! Right! Clear on the back. Keep it coming slow. Back it up slow, watch the clearance. Almost there, keep it coming. Okay, hold it right there. Perfect. Okay, keep coming down. All right, clear on this side, set it. Ready. Look at this pitting here. It goes straight through. We're gonna need a patch welded right here before we can do anything else. Let's put all the chassis components over here. Okay, I'll start sorting these smaller brackets next. Let's put all the chassis components over here. Okay, I'll start sorting these smaller brackets next. What do you think of this cross member? It sounds solid here, but look at the pitting around the bolt. Look at how deep this goes. Yeah, it's completely compromised here. See this flake?
See how deep this pit goes right here?
Yeah. That's significant structural damage. It's compromised. That looks good. I think we got all the major pitting out.
What about this section here? It still feels a little rough. This section here is completely rusted through. Yes, that's critical damage. We'll have to fabricate a new piece. Make sure that angle matches the curve of the body exactly. It's spot on. Ready to bend.
Make sure you get the bottom of the can. It's incorporating now, looking good. How does the alignment look overall?
It's perfect. Just need to press this corner one more time.
The detail work on the Red Cross is sharp.
Yes.
And the green finish is flawless.
Excellent job.
The riveted construction here is typical of the era.
Yeah, and the chassis design allowed it to handle rough terrain surprisingly well.